Thought for the day, Tuesday, July the 30th. Nurture friendships. Just like in a hearth, one has to stir the embers so that the ash does not cover them. In the same way, it is necessary, from time to time, to renew the resolution of reciprocal love among us, so that we are not covered by the ashes of indifference, apathy, and selfishness. Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, Ciudad Nueva, page 119. The Word of Life for July 2024. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.